My name is Sofia. I am 23 years old. I come from a small town in Spain called Granada. In Granada, the weather is hot in summer and cold in winter, and we have the beautiful Alhambra Palace on the hill. But I have always wanted to visit Thailand. Why? Because when I was a child, my grandmother showed me photos of golden temples, white beaches, and smiling people. She said, "One day, Sophia, you will go there and feel happy." That dream stayed in my heart. Last summer, after I finished university, I saved money from my part-time job in a clothes shop. Finally, I bought a ticket to Bangkok. I was so excited. The flight was long, 12 hours from Madrid, but I watched 3 movies and slept a little. I arrived in Bangkok on a hot morning in July. The air was warm and wet, and it smelled of street food, spicy and sweet at the same time. I took a pink taxi from the airport to my hostel in Khao San Road. The driver smiled and said, "Sawasdee ka." That means hello in Thai. I tried to say it back, but my pronunciation was funny. He laughed in a kind way. My hostel was small but clean. I shared a room with 6 other travelers, a girl from Australia, 2 boys from Canada, and others. We became friends fast. That first day, I was very tired from the flight, so I woke up at 6 a.m. the next morning to see the city early. I put on light clothes, a hat, and sunscreen because the sun in Thailand is strong. I walked to a street food stall near the hostel. I ordered pad thai with chicken and a fresh mango smoothie. It cost only 50 baht, very cheap. The noodles were hot and delicious, with lime and peanuts on top. I sat on a small plastic chair and watched the city wake up. Motorbikes passed quickly, monks in orange robes walked quietly, and dogs slept in the shade. After breakfast, I took a boat on the Chao Phraya River. The water was brown, but the views were amazing. Big golden temples, modern buildings, and small wooden houses on the water. I got off at Wat Arun, the Temple of Dawn. I climbed the steep steps. From the top, I could see all of Bangkok. The wind was cool up there, and I felt free. In the afternoon, I went to Chatuchak Weekend Market. It is huge. There are thousands of stalls with clothes, jewelry, fruit, and even baby animals. I bought a blue elephant pants, very comfortable for the hot weather, and a small silver necklace with a lotus flower. I also tried fresh coconut water straight from the coconut, so cold and sweet. One evening, my new friends from the hostel and I took a night train to Chiang Mai in the north. The train was old but fun. We talked and laughed until late. In Chiang Mai, the air was cooler. We visited an elephant sanctuary. No riding, only washing and feeding the elephants. I gave bananas to a big elephant named Ploy. She took them gently with her trunk. Her eyes were kind, and I felt happy tears. My favorite day was on the island of Koh Phi Phi. I took a plane to Phuket, then a boat. The sea was bright turquoise, like in photos. I stayed in a small bungalow near the beach. Every morning I woke up at 7 a.m., walked to the white sand, and swam in the warm water. There were colorful fish everywhere. One day I went snorkeling and saw a small shark, but it was not dangerous. At night, the beach had fire shows. Men turned fire sticks in the air and music played. I sat with cold Singa beer and watched the stars. Thailand felt like a dream. After 2 weeks, it was time to go home. On the last day, I bought small gifts for my family, a silk scarf for my mother, spicy sauce for my father, and a wooden elephant for my grandmother.
At the airport, I felt sad to leave, but also full of new energy. Thailand was everything I dreamed: beautiful temples, kind people, delicious food, and warm sea. Now, back in Grenada, I look at my photos every week. I smile when I see the golden temples and the blue sea. One day I will go back. But for now, I know my grandmother was right. Travel changes you. It opens your heart. And my first trip to Thailand was the best gift I ever gave myself. Thank you, Thailand.